Hey everyone, need a free scheduling app for your business? Today we're checking out Setmore in 2025 to see if it's the best pick. Let's dive in. Setmore's free plan is super easy to use. You get unlimited appointments, a custom booking page, and email reminders. Your clients can book anytime, anywhere, right from your website or social media. It syncs with Google Calendar to avoid double bookings, and you can manage everything on their mobile app. Perfect for small businesses like salons, tutors, or freelancers. How does it stack up? Calendly's free plan is great for simple meetings, but limits event types. Zoho Bookings offers more features like one-way sync, but can feel clunky. Square Appointments is awesome for retail, but lacks email reminding in its free plan. Setmore's downside? No SMS reminders or two-way calendar sync in the free version, which could cause mix-ups. Still, it's a solid choice for most small businesses. So is Setmore the best free scheduling app in 2025? If you want a simple, customizable tool with unlimited bookings, it's a winner. Try it out and let us know what you think. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button and subscribe for more. See you next time.